The circle. Let's say it together. Circle. Now let's look at circle objects around us. Are you ready? Let's go. Orange. Look, here is an orange. It's perfectly round. Just like a circle. Clock. Do you see a clock on your wall? Many clocks are circles. Tick-tock, round and round. Ball. A football or basketball. Yes, balls are circles from the front view. Round shape makes them easy to roll. Cookie. Yummy cookie. Most cookies are circle-shaped. Sweet and round. Balloon. A blown-up round balloon. That's also a circle from the front. Fun and floaty. Great job, super learners! Let's repeat all the circle things we saw today. Orange. Clock. Ball. Cookie. Balloon. Circles are everywhere around us. Keep looking, keep learning, and keep smiling.